What are you doing, Sam? Are you opening all the bullion cubes?
Cubes.
Are you putting them in a little bowl?
Oh.
Let's see.
Okay. Candy.
Oh, it's not candy.
It's not candy?
No. Don't you think that's enough?
Oh,
Oh, it smells wonderful in here. Mmm, savory. Yeah, you opened it? Did you taste it yet?
This is it. Oh, I want to taste it.
What does it taste like?
I want to taste.
Okay, taste it.
Yummy.
Don't eat it though. It's too salty.
Too salty?
Okay, I think we're all done.
No more.
Okay? We need a few for actual cooking, okay?
No. I need more.
Hey Sam, should I make pancakes? You like pancakes? With blueberries? Do we need to put a lock on the cabinet? Maybe we do.
I'm making eggs.
Okay. Mmm, yummy.